Hi, this is Amesh Shakib. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new NTP search and multi-config tool. So when you get it, it's gonna look like this: IP search, config tool there, and for streams and stuff, and OSD. And for example, if I double click this, it's gonna pull the information out. And this one is the NTP restart function. So I'm only gonna focus on the time. So we're gonna select all the camera. It's gonna say total of selected 5 devices, and I am gonna sync it with the computer, or I'm gonna sync it with the server. Also, you can enable daylight saving, and you can apply everything to your camera. That's really simple. If you wanted to restart all the cameras, you can do that, reset them, and OSD and stream also appeared here. But I will not recommend you do all of them one time. So for example, if you wanted to set the OSD for one camera, I will use this function right here. So if you click this one, it will take you to the camera directly to configure. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.